Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, power the laptop off and unplug everything, remove a removable battery. Use a grounded surface and wear a static strap or touch metal. This prevents shocks. Once done, open the lid and tilt the screen to 120 degrees. Use a compressed air can at 30 cm to blow loose dust from keyboard and vents. Make sure to hold fans with a toothpick to prevent spin. Then brush crumbs gently into a tray to catch debris before the deeper clean. You now focus on the detailed work. Dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl. Never spray liquids directly onto the laptop, and wipe the keyboard surface and palm rest. Once done, use a soft brush and alcohol-dampened Q-tips between keys. For removable keycaps, document positions before gentle removal. Make sure to angle compressed air into vents, using short bursts to avoid condensation and to blow dust toward your collection tray. If you open the chassis, disconnect the battery first and work slowly. You finish by reassembling the laptop. Reconnect the battery, reattach any removed keycaps in documented order, and reconnect the charger. Once done, boot up and test keyboard, trackpad, Wi-Fi, and sound. Make sure to check fan noise to confirm dust is cleared. If a key still sticks, use a Q-tip with isopropyl to clean under it. If the machine won't boot, reset the firmware, SMC/BIOS, then reset RAM and internal connectors. If problems
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.